I would like to thank President Donald Trump for raising me by giving me 4 books for free and by being a victor, winning the first term as president, we will be defeating a veteran politician in Hillary Clinton, but also being very kind and gracious in victory, knowing that Bill Clinton is senile. This person is not a favorite in the Democrats. Nancy Pelosi is the favorite, or even a neutral person like Bernie Sanders, who looks like the Pope or the next Pope, because maybe we must go by likeness and say the next Pope must come from America, because America has the most money. So if the Pope comes from America, philosophically, then the Pope qualifies, because America is going to host the World Cup very soon. So if the it comes from America and the World Cup is coming and we match those two things, they can unite people so that people stop killing each other.